Hi friends, welcome back to Yoga Flow with Kim. Today we're heading into the kitchen because yoga isn't just what we do on the mat. It's also how we nourish ourselves. Eating mindfully is part of the whole yoga practice. So I'm sharing a warm, dairy-free, gluten-free, low-FODMAP winter stew filled with fresh veggies, herbs, and lean protein. I'm warming 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Now I'm adding 3 chicken breasts, cut into chunks, and letting them brown for about 4 to 5 minutes. Give them a stir and cook until the outside is no longer pink. Next, I'm adding the veggies. This is a big family batch, so we're going generous. Several large carrots sliced. 2 large sweet potatoes diced, 2 parsnips diced, 1 medium zucchini or cucumber chopped, 3 bell peppers chopped, 2 large handfuls of green beans trimmed and cut, 1 cup diced tomatoes, no onion or garlic. Stir everything so the vegetables get coated in the oil and mingle with the chicken. Now I'm pouring about 4 cups of low FODMAP chicken broth to season the stew. 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon sea salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon coconut aminos, about 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Give it all a good stir. Bring it to a gentle boil, then lower the heat, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes or until the veggies are tender and the chicken is cooked thorough. As the stew finishes, I'm adding 2 big handfuls of chopped kale, 1/3 cup olives, a small handful of fresh cilantro, and finally a squeeze of fresh lime for brightness. Stir everything together. It should smell warm, fresh, and delicious. Nourishing our bodies is part of our yoga practice. It supports our energy, balance, and presence on and off the mat. If you enjoyed this cozy winter stew, feel free to like, subscribe, or share. Sending you love, warmth, and a big bowl of comfort. And look at that. It smells so warm, so fresh. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. Now it's time for nourishment. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.